The impact of the looming federal budget cuts appear to be trickling down to immigration enforcement. Here to discuss the sequestration is immigration attorney Mo Goldman, who is joining us from Tucson, Arizona through Skype. Mo, can you explain the sequestration and how it is affecting immigration?
Sequestration involves budget cuts that will involve pretty much all the agencies and federal government across the board, to the tune of approximately $1.2 trillion over 10 years. And what we're seeing at this juncture is probably just the beginning or the tip of the iceberg as far as how it will impact the Department of Homeland Security.
How will these releases affect an immigration case or the charges being made against a detainee?
Well, the detainees that are released, first of all, it's important to emphasize that these are individuals who have either been convicted of minor crimes or no crimes at all. These are individuals who are considered low priority for removal or for detention in this case under the Department of Homeland Security's guidelines. So they're either civil immigration violators or violators of some sort of minor criminal conviction. So they're not free from still facing that charge of deportation or removal. They still will have to go in front of an immigration judge. It's just that they will not be inside the detention center setting. They will be going in front of the immigration court in whatever city that they live in or the nearest immigration court to where they live, which there are numerous immigration courts across the country.
And the question on a lot of our minds is, what do we expect to see moving forward from here?
The hope is that more individuals that are considered low priority are released to their homes, to their families, to their children, while they're awaiting a court date. That will be more cost effective. It is more in line with what would be the expectation of the Department of Homeland Security, but also to hopefully reduce the backlog of immigration cases through more prosecutorial discretion decisions, and then ultimately, immigration reform, hopefully.
Thank you, Mo, for joining us all the way from Tucson. And for the rest of you, please stay tuned for more updates through Immigration Quicktake from the American Immigration Lawyers Association.